Right, quick look at the forge. Bricks, fire bricks, unfinished door. That one's got to go in there. Door hinges up and also lays flat like a hair. Bricks to cover the back, which can be moved to make room for something long. Three-quarter, 1.5 to 3/4, half-inch. 0.6 MIG tip drilled out to 0.9. 0.9 MIG tip didn't work because they're actually about 1.1. Got temperature probe in there. Fire it up. Don't know what the pressure is. Haven't got a gauge yet, but I'll turn it down too low. The flame goes back up into the tube. I'll crank it up. Set about halfway. It's a 30-pound regulator, so it should probably be about 15 pounds. Trolley there where I can put my gas bottle once I finish it off. Just need to tidy up that door, put a handle on it, and mount the burners permanently. It's 10:40 and climbing. $1100 will do. I'm a bit worried about that thermocouple. Next job is to mount that properly. Finish off the door, shelf for the gas bottle, and hard plumb the gas and galve with a nice ball valve to shut it down quickly should the need arise. Mount those burners tonight. Nice hot piece of steel in there. Nice and hot. Not quite white hot, but it got pretty red. The camera doesn't pick up the colour very well. I'm sure with the door shut I'll get 1200. Maybe even more. My gas forge.